A quick note about the Norwegian R. We have two ways of saying it or pronouncing it. We have the rulle R, which is like the Italian R. Example, Roma, ravioli. And then we have the skarre R, which is more like the German R. Example, Reichstag, Reise. I myself, I use skarre R when I'm speaking Norwegian, but that I'm part of the minority, as you can see on the map in the red. It's like on the west part of Norway and a little bit to the south. We have in the red area the places in Norway where they use the skarre R, and the rest in yellow you can see they use the rulle R. And that's it for today's lesson. If you liked this video and want to see more of these, please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.